Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel where we are about to embark on an exciting journey into the world of decoration ideas. In this video, we will take you on a captivating adventure through a multitude of inspiring ideas and styles to help you transform your living space into a showcase of creativity and personality. Celebrating individuality. Decoration designs are all about celebrating your unique style and preference. We will show you how to infuse your space with a personal touch that reflects your character. Room transformation. From the living room to the bedroom, we will provide room specific decorations design ideas that will leave a lasting impression and elevate the ambience of each space. Color petals perfection. Dive into the world of color and discover how different hues can set the tone for your decor. We will explore the psychology of color and how to it influence your environment. Innovative materials. Learn about innovative materials and textures that can bring a fresh dimension of your decor designs. From sustainable choices to unsuspected combinations, we have got ideas to spark your imagination. Artistic expression. Explore the world of art and how it can be integrate your decoration designs. We will delve to various forms of art from traditional paintings to modern sculptures and how they can become focal point of your decor. Creative display. Get ready to think outside the box as we discuss unique and creative way to display your decor. Whether it is all wall arrangements, shelving units, or clever storage solutions, we will provide inspiration for our visually engaging spaces. Join us on this inspiring journey as we explore a diverse array of decoration designs and help you craft a space that is uniquely yours. Join us on this captivating journey as we explore a diverse array of decorations, designs, and help you craft a space that is uniquely yours. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe our YouTube channel